tenderized pork.
Okay.
You put it in the pan. You don't need any more oil because you already
have.
oil.
And that's the rump that you
that's
boil.
the rump that you boil and
then cut up into.
softened.
Yeah. Okay.
In goes everything now. So you have the sukang Ilocos and a little patis. I'm not much of a pepper person, but you put some.
Okay.
And of course our most delicious Ilocos
Local garlic.
So you put the blood now. This one we soak it in vinegar.
The vinegar will then curdle all of the blood, and then you stir it to help it coagulate.
And you have to let it cook, because later on it will dry up more.
And then the more you cook it, the thicker it gets?
Yes,
Right.
the more you cook it. But me, I like my bagnet